G'day everyone, Daniel O'Grady here, and this morning I woke up, went to a secret location, shot this video clip. Well, I think I've found a new Saturday morning habit to develop. Dropping by the auctions, checking out some cars, but also grabbing some, well, they call it kebabs. Looks good to me. And it's not often I would describe food as being shower inducing, but between the watery salad, the overflowing sauce, well, and the humidity, that was exactly what I needed. And when I think of shower, I think of the heavens, the skies, and when I think of that, I think of the moon, the sun, stars. And there are of course many types of stars, the Pulsar being one of them, and I think you'll agree that Today's car is a 1981 Nissan Pulsar 1500 TS XE. Top of the line it is, and a rare sight in Japan, I think, of this generation, of any body style of the N10 generation of Pulsar. I think I've seen just two. This Coupe, of course, which I'll be talking about in today's video, and one other, and it's escaping me at the moment, but perhaps you're looking at it on the screen right there. I recall it looking pretty rough. And would you check out the trim on those seats? That is some top shelf stuff. I wish I had some photos or footage of those seats real zoomed in, but I don't. Even the factory promo shots that I do have of the car don't show the trim so well, but what they do show is a very tidy car, a car that is a two-tone automobile, which is so cool. And it does beg the question, what happened to today's car? Well, it does remain a two-tone of sorts. It is black and then a matte black, kind of like a Mad Max Interceptor, and I will look for any opportunity to shoehorn in an Aussie car in to my videos, and that's what just happened then. Now, the funny thing is, I totally did hear the story of why this car doesn't retain its original two-tone colors. He totally said something about the thing, and that's why it's the way it is. And I just don't know what he said, people. I don't know what he said. Well, it is very unsatisfactory to hear that I just don't know, but that's how it is. But look, next time I see the guy, I'm gonna get the story. Even if he has to do charades, draw pictures, I don't know, I'm gonna find out. But now, let's go under the bonnet. Transverse-mounted 4-cylinder engine. Now this is the E-Series engine, and I don't think I've ever covered one of these before. It's an E15, and that would be 1487 cc's. Now this had, and using his words, analog injection. So this is pre-electronic fuel injection, of course. It produced 95 metric horsepower. And all that's left to say is that this engine saw a fair bit of action with your N12 series of Pulsar as well. We really didn't get much of a look at the front of the car, did we? But there is something very special about it, and there it is right there. And you can see the cat's eyes are changing color, but it's a curious thing. It's like it's mounted certainly in a MacGyver way, and it's got that clear plastic on it. It just, I don't know, it's been adapted is what I'm saying. A curious thing. And then he's got the footsteps of the cat. So, you know, a nostalgic sort of nod to the aftermarket lights maker. I swear I've got some epic videos in the works. They just require a lot of free time and concentration. And yeah, fingers crossed I'll get to them by Christmas time. Some really big videos, people. Not just these simple little videos that I pop out every weekend, but some real big ones, people, I promise. Everyone, thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back next Saturday, of course, with another WasabiCars video. And I'll see you then. Goodbye. Thanks so much.